my channel. This is my first video. This is my best friend Jody. We're going to do a taste test. I'm going to taste test some gummies, Starburst gummies. Let's see. And then the sour Starburst gummies. She is going to taste test some food I made. Ham and cheese egg roll. But I'm going to try these first. You've never tried any of this cheese. What flavor do you want?
Don't
They got they're cherry, orange, strawberry, and lemon.
Doesn't matter, whatever you send me. Cherry.
And we'll do a lemon. Lemon. Woo, very lemony.
I can smell your lemon over here.
Very lemony. We'll make them an ice squint. No,
Cherry's good. It tastes just like a cherry regular Starburst, but more chewy, not as hard.
Okay, now the sour ones. I'm kind of scared now of the sour ones after that lemon. That was pretty intense. The animals are over here looking at me like, you got a wrapper, what are you opening? Your favorite color. Look what I pulled. And that is blue raspberry, obviously. This is either cherry or watermelon. I don't know which.
I would say cherry because it's darker. You think the lighter.
Yep. Okay, going with cherry.
Blue raspberry.
Woo! This one's pretty sour. At first. The cherry one was. No, it's okay. That first initial thing was sour.
Yeah, a little more intense, but not enough to. But I'm used to eating.
This went less. This started going. Okay, try one.
Blue raspberry didn't really have much of a tang.
I think that's
okay.
Color. Hold on. Let me make sure. Oh! Dropped one.
The blue one.
Oh, no. Okay. Is it? Yeah. Okay. At first, it was just puckery.
Yeah.
But
I mean, I'm more used to sour things than you are. Because I used to eat lemon heads and everything as a kid. I would literally take the lemon heads just to suck
blue raspberry is pretty good.
I used to take lemon heads just to suck the sour part off them and then save the rest of it for later. I was a very weird child.
So the light pink must be the strawberry, and then the green must be the watermelon. You gotta try watermelon, Jody.
Okay.
Gotta try watermelon. Watermelon. Not a little sour. At first. But it's good. Reminds me of the freaking Jolly Rancher watermelon.
Because it tastes just like a slice of watermelon.
That's good. Okay. Now, let's just try the egg roll. I ate it before, not my own, but my friend Diana Buffy, she made some good egg roll. Ham cheese.
Cleanse the palate a little bit, try to get some of that candy out.
Here, hold on. You should put the bowl up here so they can see. Like when you cut into it. I'm gonna hold it up. You cut it.
I was just gonna put it up here and just break it in half.
Oh, they hit him.
Ham and cheese.
Yeah, tastes a lot like a Hot Pocket. Hers were a little cheesier because she had the chunks of, or she put in like a whole bunch of cheese, like I think that's what it was, I think she had shredded cheese still, but I had the taco shredded cheese too. She's like, oh, God. I am a good cook. Wow. Well, that's my first video, so I'm not a virgin no more.
First video for her channel.
For my channel, yeah. That's what I mean. I mean, obviously,
She's been on my channel plenty.
I played around in other people's channel. Oh. Well, bye. Woo!